This is some seriously cool country. Here comes Chloe, kind of left her behind to adventure. I've decided to wait, stop, let her catch up. See if we can see her, eh? She's coming down that ridge. She's there when I move my finger. Here she comes. This track is like near impossible to find or follow. I'll walk you over to this edge. Give you a bit of a just drops off. We have to go down there. We're gonna go up over that, along all that ridge, down the other side, and drops down there. Hopefully that's where our camp is tonight. All right, pack on, let Chloe catch up. I'll say good day, make sure she's all good. And it's a run to the finish. The wind is pretty icy up here, even though we're in summer now. Some hawks flying around. See them? Oh no, not hawks. Kiriru. Still a big bird. There it is.
These noodles are the goat.
Spiders. At least I'm nice and warm. The red tarp, silk tarp out there, keeping us dry. You can keep the tent door open, which I like, a bit of fresh air. Keeps our stuff dry out there, seats and things.
Have fun? On the injury. It's really tough. If it was me, I'd be crying. But there's been no crying on this trip. No crying. Alright, let's go, eh?